Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how I did these beautiful styles of gele all in one single process. So with this process you can make multiple styles. You can see I made 3 different styles, and I'll be showing you how I did it all in a single process. So now I'm taking my gele, and you can see the width of my gele or my head wrap. So if you are using a head wrap, it's also great. However, your head wrap needs to have a level of thickness so that the style can stand very well and to not be all droopy and falling. So you can see I divided my gele into half, and I'm just making a few pleats. The pleats part is quite optional. It just depends if you want to add a little bit of style to it, but it's definitely optional. So now I just made about 3 or 4 pleats. Yes, so if you have small geles, small head wraps, here are beautiful styles that you can create with this head wrap. So once I'm done securing it and I know it's well secured, it's time for us to start adjusting the bow just to give it that cute and unique shape. You can see that it looked like it was knotted, like it looks cute, and that rumpus crunch effect you get. So I'm just going to arrange it to suit my face, or to suit the size of my face. So any excesses, I will just stuff it inside and try to ensure that the left and the right sides of the bow are equal in size and of course in shape. So this is where the beauty of your head wrap comes into place. It has to be very, very neat, and you can see this is the style, this is the final look, this is your bow gele, and this is one of the styles from the process. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take the top of this bow, and we're going to begin to pin it all the way just to secure it and close up that part at the top. So I'm using enough pins so that it is well closed out and you will not be able to see any space or hole at that part. So now this is the final look, and you can see it's giving a whole unique, classy, beautiful style from the same process, but just with little touch-ups and differences. You can see the back, it's literally giving, like, so you may want to bring out that ending part. If probably for the third style you want to bring out the those parts I stuffed inside to make it look bowy, you may want to start bringing it down so you can now secure the ending part just the way you have secured the upper part. You are going to do it to the ending part with your pins. So this is how it's going to look like when you do it, and it's giving it's giving vibes, it's giving equi, can't remember the word, exquisite. Exactly, it's giving exquisite. It's giving class, it's giving royal. So you're going to want to put on your earrings, throw on your clothes. You may have done your makeup before you do this, which is advisable, and you can see the finished look like this is. So even if you did not make your hair, these are styles that you can tie, and you are going to literally be turning heads. Like, people will be like, wow, because it is out of this world. It is unique. It is not the regular. It is unconventional. So this is the final look, with the same process styling 3 different styles of head wraps. And I hope you found this very, very helpful. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure to like this video, make sure to comment, leave a comment where you're watching from. I'd like to see where my viewers are watching from, and do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Yes, so like this video and subscribe.